Selamat datang di cerita baik. Ainan, loyo. Saatnya bermain. Sekarang Baim lagi ada di playground PIM. Ini tempat rak sepatu dan lokernya nih. Trampolin luas banget deh. Lucu. The education kelas juga loh teman-teman. Main pasir. Ada ruangan yang bisa dipakai untuk acara-acara loh teman-teman. Kapan lagi bisa nyusun blok segede itu? Nah, ini tempat keduanya nih. Ini sudah termasuk playgroundnya loh. Gak usah bayar lagi. Sliding. Main sama Ainun I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. for the world we're gonna make.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. For the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you'll see. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head.
A million dreams are keeping me
A million dreams, a million dreams.
I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Rabbi ufirli wali walidayya warhamhuma kama rabbayani shaghira. Wahai Tuhanku, ampunilah dosa-dosa kedua orang tuaku dan sayangilah mereka seperti mereka menyayangiku di waktu kecil.